Okay, welcome back to Food is Medicine. Today we're diving into the creamy, nutrient-packed world of avocados. Often called a superfood, this versatile fruit offers far more than just delicious guacamole. Get ready to discover how avocados can powerfully support your brain, protect your heart, and even aid in weight management. This isn't just a trendy fruit, it's truly food is medicine, general health benefits. So, what makes avocados so incredibly good for you? They're unique among fruits because they're primarily known for their healthy fats. We're talking about monounsaturated fats, which are fantastic for your overall well-being, but that's just the beginning. Avocados are also loaded with fiber, both soluble and insoluble. This is crucial for healthy digestion and maintaining stable blood sugar levels. And don't forget the vitamins and minerals. You'll find a good dose of potassium, even more than bananas, which is essential for blood pressure regulation. They also offer vitamin K, important for bone health, and a range of B vitamins, vital for energy and metabolism. This rich nutrient profile means avocados support everything from glowing skin to healthy nerve function, making them a truly well-rounded food. Recommended daily consumption. How much avocado should you aim for to get these amazing benefits? For most healthy adults, enjoying about half to one whole avocado per day is an excellent goal. This quantity provides a substantial dose of healthy fats and nutrients without overdoing it. It's incredibly easy to incorporate them. Add slices to your morning toast, mash them into a spread for sandwiches, cube them into salads for a creamy texture, or blend them into smoothies for a surprisingly smooth boost. Disease prevention and fighting benefits. Let's look at how avocados act as powerful medicine, targeting some of the most common health concerns. 1. Heart disease and high cholesterol. The monounsaturated fats in avocados are phenomenal for your heart. They help lower LDL, the bad cholesterol, while simultaneously increasing HDL, the good cholesterol. This dual action significantly reduces your risk of heart disease and promotes healthy blood flow. 2. Type 2 diabetes and blood sugar control. Despite their creamy texture, avocados are low in carbs and very high in fiber and healthy fats. This combination helps stabilize blood sugar levels, preventing spikes after meals. They are an excellent food choice for managing and preventing type 2 diabetes. 3. Weight management and obesity. Avocados are fantastic for weight management. Their high fiber and healthy fat content contribute to prolonged feelings of fullness and satisfaction. This can help reduce cravings and overall calorie intake throughout the day, aiding in healthy weight loss efforts. 4. Brain health and cognitive function. The monounsaturated fats in avocados are vital for brain health, supporting healthy blood flow to the brain and enhancing neuron function. Additionally, they contain lutein, which has been linked to improved cognitive function and memory. Regular consumption can help keep your mind sharp. 5. Gut health and digestion. The generous amount of fiber in avocados is a true blessing for your digestive system. It helps promote regular bowel movements and feeds beneficial gut bacteria, contributing to a healthy microbiome. A healthy gut is foundational to overall wellness and even impacts mood. So it's clear the next time you're looking for a delicious and powerful health boost, the humble avocado is your friend. It truly is food is medicine, offering incredible benefits for your heart, brain, gut, and so much more. What's your favorite way to enjoy avocados? Share your go-to recipes or tips in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Food is Medicine for more evidence-based health insights. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next video.